runs on the board. And both the openers out there in the middle. All in readiness of this game. I am Ajay Behra. I've got with me Rohan Gavaskar. Good evening, Rohan.
Good evening, Ajay. The game that we've all been waiting for, the Heroes versus the Rhinos. Home ground for the Mumbai Heroes.
5 balls to come.
Indranil and Sunny on strike. Sunny slashes hard. But the Chennai Rhinos have got a fielder in the deep. Keeps it down to just a single.
In fact, the first game of this afternoon, we saw that this surface here, which has a bit of grass covering, looks to be a cracker of a wicket as far as the batsmen are concerned because of the even bounce. And as far as Mumbai Heroes are concerned, they would be hoping to get a big score on the board. Trifle appeal by the bowler, the umpire on that occasion. He's not impressed. As you just mentioned, Rohan, Sunny Singh and Indranil, both very, very capable batsmen. Shiva is the man who's starting the proceedings as far as the Chennai Rhinos are concerned with the ball. Doesn't have a slip or a gully in place. The power play in progress. Just two fielders out in the circle. That's a good delivery by Shiva. The ball just angling in to the right-hander.
Wicket, in the ball, wicket, man!
It's a crucial game for the Rhinos. They've lost one, had a no result, and shared points in the other game that they've played, so they need to win this. It's got to be a wide, and it is. Indranil played for the Bengal Tigers last year.
Not easy at all.
He's moved camp, joined the Mumbai Heroes.
That's a much better delivery from Shiva. That's exactly what he's got to do. Even the last delivery, which was wide called from the umpire, was trying to pull the outswinger. Normally he does the ball into the right-hander. That is exactly what he's got to focus and rely on early on in this innings. He doesn't need to experiment too much. As a bowler, so very important to just settle into a groove early on. Down the leg side. Once again, wide should be the call, and that's the call from the umpire. In fact, the striker Indranil wanting a single on that occasion, rightly refused by his partner Sunny Singh. This is match number 10 of Kalyan Jewellers Celebrity Cricket League 2013.
It's been a sedate start by the Mumbai Heroes. 4 of the first 5 deliveries. Seems to be some sort of confusion out there in the middle.
In fact, I feel the umpire signaled a wide, but the fielder, the bowler, were convinced that it was probably some part of the pad or the pad onto the ball. Exactly what they were referring to. That's a good delivery to finish the first over. It's 4 without loss. He's a steady customer. Saw him in the early game as well. He's a good bowler. Relies a lot on his line in length. On this kind of track under lights, definitely he'll get some movement as well going his way.
Well, we've seen the Chennai Rhinos rely a lot on the three Vs. Vishnu, Vishal and Vikrant. And he's an important cog in their wheel, an important component, an important member who's contributed a lot to the two successes. That's a wide. He's played a big role in the fact that they won the first two editions of the CCL. They're obviously going for the three-peat over here. And as we've seen in season 2, they're not the best starters of a tournament, but they finish strongly, and that's what matters. It doesn't matter how you start, what matters is how you finish, and they finish very, very strongly. Bad first, bit of an appeal, needless throw, and that's got to be 4. That's got to be 4 overthrows. We've actually seen a lot of overthrows today.
You very rightly mentioned that was a needless throw, but nevertheless, Mumbai Heroes team won't mind that. There was never going to be a run there because it's always going to be very tight. In fact, the batsman was coming in, but overthrows yielding in 4 runs, and all those runs count in the book. The supporters, the team members of Mumbai Heroes team, very, very happy. They need a good foundation of the order that's going to be very essential and vital for them. Once again down the pad line, couldn't capitalize on that one. Sunny Singh. The settings here at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium are just wonderful, to say the least.
Nice hands there by Sunny. Chops it down to third man. What helps when you play these shots is that the bowler has a bit of pace. He's got some wheels on him, and Vikrant certainly has a bit of pace. So in effect, you just use the pace of the bowler to play your shot, and that's exactly what Sunny's done over there.
And if you compare both the bowlers bowling with the new ball, Shiva and Vikrant, well, you can see a big difference as far as the pace is concerned. He's skiddy, Vikrant, the ball comes very nicely onto the bat. As you rightly mentioned, Rohan, as a batsman, you can utilize the pace. Shiva relies more on his movement of the deck.
Relax.
Just tucking it around the corner after 2 overs. It's 11 without loss.
Lovely, boys.